Today, I will be making a code GUI for my brand new game called Donate for Time. So first of all, I hopped on Photoshop and started creating the UI first. Here's a full time-lapse of me doing that. I tried copying the UI from Roblox Studio to Photoshop, and I started working on the title of the menu. If you want a tutorial of how to do this, let me know. Let's go, I finished the head title. Now let me import it into Roblox Studio. Now I'm making the close button design. I'm importing it into Studio once again. And like that, the window is already done. Now I'm making the content of the frame. I like to add a wave effect to all my UI style frames. Now, my favorite part is bringing it all to life, which is scripting it. Finally, it is all done. As you can see, it is working perfectly. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to comment down below and subscribe so I can make more content like this. Bye guys!